Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin inside the Shortcuts app. Create a new shortcut and name it clearly so you can find it later. Once done, grant any permissions Shortcuts requests because the actions that hide apps need access. Make sure you pick a specific hide method up front, moving the app to a hidden folder, changing its icon to something inconspicuous, using focus to suppress notifications, or offloading the app. You start with those concrete choices, so the next steps execute cleanly without backtracking. Now you add the actual actions that perform the hiding. For example, insert a run script or open app action to target the app, then add set focus or change home screen arrangements to remove visibility. If you want toggles, include if/otherwise conditions to switch between hidden and visible states, and add date or automation triggers for scheduled hiding. Make sure to test the shortcut manually so you see each action run. This validation prevents surprises when automations run unattended. Finish by saving the shortcut and tying it to an automation trigger, time, location, or a manual widget tap, and enable any run without asking options so it runs smoothly. Once set, verify the app is actually hidden from the home screen, app library, and spotlight search. Different OS versions behave differently, so check all spots. If something goes wrong, recheck Shortcuts permissions, reduce complex conditions, and add small delays between actions to account for animations or backup processes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.